SHACMAN X3000 series tractor adopts brand new design. The overall appearance very sharp. The rear view mirror is integral and equipped with electrical heating function as standard. The side turn signal is integrated to improve the driving safety. Equipped with Dongfeng Cummins engine, it is energy efficient, environmental friendly, and strong in power. Adopt Eaton automatic transmission, automatic intelligent smooth transmission, strong in power. The vehicle nameplate adopts VIN code, vehicle number, production date, engine power, weight, etc. The vehicle identification number is located on the right front outer plate of the frame and consists of 17 letters and numbers. This vehicle adopts Dongfeng Cummins ISC engine with a displacement of 13 liters. The engine adopts inline 6-cylinder design, high-pressure common rail fuel system, engine ECU, coarse and fine filter starter, alternator. The engine nameplate is located under the rear cylinder head of the engine, with engine model, engine serial number, order number, rated power RPM, delivery time, displacement, and other basic information. When opening the door, insert the key, turn it clockwise, pull out the key, and pull the door handle outward to open. To remotely unlock, press the unlocking key of remote control, and the emergency warning lamp of door central locking will flash twice. Pull up the door handle to open the door. The door not closed indicator is on. To remotely lock the vehicle, press the remote control locking key. The door central locking emergency alarm light flashes once. When opening the front cover, open the left cab door first. Pull up the front hood handle. The front hood unlocks. Hold the front cover with both hands and lift the front cover up. The expansion tank is located in the middle of the front cover of the cab, storing engine coolant. Minimum water level of expansion tank. Maximum water level of expansion tank. When filling in the coolant, make sure the engine is in the flame-out state. When opening the upper cover, first, slowly rotate the upper cover anti-clockwise to discharge the gas inside the expansion tank, and then open the upper cover. Windshield washer reservoir filler. Windshield cleaning reservoir. Open the front cover before turning over the cab. Turn the key to on. Turn on the cab turnover switch. Turn the handle of cab turnover oil pump clockwise. Press and hold the electric turnover button to slowly turn up the cab. When the cab is turned over, the turning indicator light on the combination instrument is on. Make sure to remove all unfixed items in the cab before turning over. Put the gear lever in the neutral position and secure the wheels with wedges. No one should stand near the front of the cab when turning over. Do not enter the cab when the cab is turned over. Turn over the cab and turn the handle of oil pump anti-clockwise. Press and hold the electric turnover button to return to the cab to its original position. The cab must fall back to its original position, and the turnover cylinder must return to the right position. When the cab falls back and resets, the turnover indicator on the combination instrument goes out. Close the front cover. The combination instrument is mainly composed of odometer, engine tachometer, fuel meter, water temperature meter, and LCD. The tachometer collects the CAN signal of engine ECU, processes and calculates it, and then drives the pointer to indicate the current engine speed. The signal of speedometer comes from the speed sensor at the output flange of the transmission, which is used to indicate the current speed. The battery voltmeter indicates the current voltage of the battery. When the generator is off, the voltage is generally about 24 volts. When the generator is on, the voltage is about 28 volts. The oil pressure gauge is used to show the oil pressure of the engine. The water temperature gauge is used to display the engine coolant temperature. The fuel meter is used to show the amount of fuel remaining. The urea meter is used to show the residual amount of urea. The air pressure gauge is used to display the current pressure inside the air reservoir. Click OK button for language setting of combination instrument. Enter the menu setting interface. Click the OK button. Accept options. Flip down the menu. Select the language option. Click the OK button. Enter the language setting interface. Flip down the menu. Select the English option. Click the OK button. The English interface is set successfully. Click the Exit button. Exit to main interface. The wheel differential switch can only be pressed by pulling down the lock when the vehicle stops. The upper left wheel differential signal of the combination instrument lights up, and the two drive axles enter the interwheel differential locking state. Pull down the latch and press the axle differential switch. The upper left axle difference signal of the combination instrument lights up, and the drive axle enters the differential lock state. Press the horn changeover switch to switch to gas horn. The air horn sounds. Press the upper end of horn changeover switch to switch to electric horn. The electric horn sounds. Press down the emergency alarm light switch to turn on the emergency alarm light switch. The emergency alarm indicator on the combination instrument flashes. Vehicle emergency warning lamp flashing. Press up to turn off the emergency alarm light switch. The indicator light of the instrument goes out, and the emergency alarm light turns off. Press the vehicle warning light switch down to turn on the vehicle warning light switch. Vehicle warning light on. Press up to turn off the vehicle warning light switch. Rear work light switch. Turn on the position light before turning on the rear work lights. Press the rear work light switch down. Rear work lights on. Press the switch up to turn off the rear work lights. The rear work lights of the vehicle are off. Res switch fixed speed cruise resume set speed. Press the lower res switch to reset and resume cruise set speed. When the hill climb switch is pressed, the vehicle torque increases. Press the steering wheel adjustment button to release the steering wheel lock. Adjust the up and down height and front and rear angle of the steering wheel. Press the adjustment button to lock the upper steering wheel. The wiper works intermittently when the handle switch is turned forward to the intermittent position. Turn the switch to gear 1 and the wiper works at low speed. Turn the switch to gear 2 and the wiper works at high speed. Press the button at the end of the handle switch and the spray will start working. Release the button and the spray will stop working. Turn the light switch clockwise to the position of position indicator. The clearance light and the position light are on. Instrument backlight brightness adjustment knob. Instrument backlight brightness change. Turn the light switch clockwise to the low beam position. Low beam lights on. Press down the handle of light combination switch to high beam. High beam indicator light is on. High beam is on. Press down the switch handle and the front fog lamp lights up. After lifting the switch handle, the fog lamp lights up. Low beam height adjustment knob. Turn counterclockwise to turn off the light switch. Push forward the combination switch handle. The right direction indicator of combination instrument is on. Right turn signal lamp is on. Pull the combination switch handle backward. The left direction indicator of the combination instrument is on. Left turn signal light is on. Press the brake pedal. Brake lights is on. Put in reverse. The reversing light is on. When the hydraulic retarder handle is open to the first gear, it is a constant speed gear. When the handle is turned on to gear 2, 3, and 4, the indicator light of hydraulic retarder in instrument panel is on. The tail light is on. The brake light is on. And the braking force is gradually increased. When the handle is turned to gear 5, the exhaust brake intervention indicator light of instrument panel will be on. Air conditioning system. Air volume adjustment knob. When the knob is turned to auto, it is in automatic mode. Temperature adjustment button. Internal and external circulation button. The driver's seat is air suspended. Air lumbar support adjustment is composed of 2 airbags. Press the plus/minus key on the button to complete the air inflation and deflation and change the lumbar support hardness. Pull up the handle to adjust the seat height to the lowest position and return the handle to the original position. Adjust the seat height by pulling the handle upward to raise the seat position and pulling the handle downward to lower the seat position. Damping adjustment. Pull the handle upward to reduce the seat damping value and pull the handle downward to increase the seat damping value. Pull up the handle to adjust the cushion depth to the required position. Release the handle to lock the seat. Pull the handle upward to adjust the seat back to the required position by the back force of the body. Release the handle to lock the seat. Vehicle multimedia system. Equipment information query. System language settings. Multimedia volume knob. Tianxingjian system. The fatigue alarm camera detects the driver's fatigue driving or distracted state and sends out an alarm signal. Preparation before driving. Insert the main power switch key, turn it clockwise for 90 degrees, and turn it vertically downward to turn on the power supply. Turn 90 degrees counterclockwise to remove the key and turn off the power. Open the battery cover. Check the battery harness for looseness. Check the battery status display. Pull out oil dipstick. Observe that the oil level should be between the upper and lower marks of the oil dipstick. Replace the oil dipstick. Engine oil filler. Engine oil drain plug. Gearbox oil filler. Transmission oil drain plug. Transmission oil level observation hole. Gearbox nameplate. Nameplate of drive axle. Turn over the cab and remove the 4 bolts and the air cleaner housing. Take out the filter element. Use dry compressed air with pressure not higher than 0.5 megapascal, 5 bar, to blow clean the filter element along the diagonal cross direction. Install the filter element. Install the air cleaner housing and the 4 bolts. Position of steering oil tank. Lower oil mark of steering oil tank. Upper oil mark of steering oil tank. Remove the steering tank cover. Remove and check the filter element or replace it. Replace the filter element. Install the tank cover. Operate the handbrake valve handle to initiate the parking brake. When the tractor is connected with the trailer, the saddle is meant to be unlocked first, and the saddle unlocking is completed. The rear view mirror adjustment button is located inside the left door of the cab. The direction and angle of the rear view mirror can be adjusted from up, down, left, and right. Press the rear view mirror heating switch. The rear view mirror starts to heat, and the water droplets on the rear view mirror gradually disappear. The sunroof switch is located on top of the cab. Remove the handle switch. Turn the handle switch counterclockwise to open the sunroof. Turn the handle switch clockwise to close the sunroof. The indoor lighting switch is located at the lower right of Tianxingjian. Turn the knob switch to control the brightness of indoor lights. Gently pull the drain valve of the air storage tank to discharge the contaminated water in the tank. The operation and maintenance introduction of the vehicle has been completed. Thank you for watching.